Honey, you
What do you want?
just get some shots or something. I don't know.
Why do I say
I'm
that?
here with the amazing track star. Two, one, go! Let's go! Yeah! And somewhere here in the many different swimmers, the triathlon, it's almost like there's a bunch of sea humans. Let's go, Brooke! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! There's Amanda. Go, Amanda! Let's go, Amanda! You got this! Let's go, Brooke! Yeah! Rocking that pink! Let's go! Hey, pray the whole way, baby! Pray the whole way! They are about to both finish at the same time. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah!
Great job, ladies.
Amanda, you just finished duathlon. How do you feel right now?
Feel great!
That's
Do it
right,
again!
baby. Let's go.